Hi there, this is Ankit, back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KN Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's video. And first of all, let me show you the work that I have done so far in last videos. So I am opening my working project bus.html file. Okay, as you can see, the page is loading. Actually, I am opening my Chrome browser for the first time, so it will take some time. Okay, in last video we have done till this section. Okay, so in this video we'll move to the next section onwards. So I am opening my bus hire page in the Sublime Text Editor so that I can provide some coding to that page. Let me check whether the disk using is already is going for some other task also. Because due to this my system is little bit slow. Okay, okay, coming back to the Sublime Text Editor, follow me from the line number 270. Okay, opening of div tag followed by the class attribute having the value jumbotron. Inside this div tag we will have another div tag with the class attribute having the value container. Inside this div tag we will have another div tag with the class attribute having the value row. Inside this div tag we will have another div tag with the class attribute having the value column 12, column small 12, column 12, column small 12, column medium 12, column large 6, column medium 12, column large 6, and P2. Inside the div tag we will have another div tag with the class attribute clear fix. Inside this div tag we will have another div tag with the class attribute float left. And inside the div tag we will have image tag with the search attribute having the value images slash public safety.png, and another attribute class having the value bus hire top 7 image. Okay, div tag will be closed. Now we will have another div tag with the class attribute float left. Inside the div tag we will have p tag with the content safety plus and another p tag below the existing p tag. The content will be your safety is our top most priority. Your safety is our p tag closed. Now div tag will be closed, and again there will be another div tag with the class attribute having the value float right. Inside the div tag we will have p tag with the content no more. The tag will be closed and div tag will be closed 2 times. Okay, 1 and 2 times. After that there will be another div tag with the class attribute row. Inside this div tag that we have opened at line number 288, and inside this div tag there will be another div tag with the class attribute having the value column 6, column small 6, column medium 6, column 6, column small 6, column medium 6. Okay, inside this div tag we will have another div tag with the class attribute deflex and justify content center. Inside this div tag we will have another div tag with the class attribute p2, and inside this div tag we will have image tag with the search attribute having the value images slash liquid soap.png. Actually this is the name of image with the extension png file, okay, that we have used in this project. So, and the class attribute having the value bus hire top 7 image. Okay, and the div tag will be closed on line number 23, and again another div will be opened at line number 224 with the class attribute having the value p2. Inside this div tag we will have p tag with the content hand sanitizers in all vehicles, hand sanitizers with all vehicles, and dive tag will be closed for 3 times from now. After that we will have another dive tag with the class attribute having the value. Okay, actually from the line number 300 we are going to create another dive tag that will be as same as the dive tag that we have created on line number 289. So just let me copy this dive tag from here. Control C and Control V. Okay, and this will be copied and this will be copied 5 times. 2 times is already copied, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. First let me show the output. Okay, on refreshing the page, okay, we need to provide CSS property to the images that we have provided in the dive tag with the class attribute bus hire top 7 image. Width is 40 px. Okay, this is it. Now see the changes first. Yes, that's good. But one thing is still problematic here, that is the images that is in the left side of this safety tag is not coming, as you can see on the screen. So that's not a big deal. That must be the error in the name of images that we have provided in the HTML file. As you can see, our spelling is error here. Sorry, the error is in the spelling here. Yes, now it is good. Now we need to change the content as well as the images. Okay, because all the images and the content are same here, so we need to change that. Okay, and what is the content here? First one is safety, and your safety is out of priority is already there, so we don't need to change that. Okay, follow me on line number 303. Okay, where we will change the image name for different image. Okay, and the image will be mask.png and the content will be mask worn by all staffs. Mask worn by all staffs. Okay, and the changes that is required on line number 314 is the name, okay, of images, as same as we have provided in the line number 303 and 306. And the name of image will be blanket.png. Blanket.png, and the content will be content of p tag available on the line number 317 will be no blanket linen provided. No blanket linen provided. And after that, thermometer.png. Thermometer.png, and the content will be regular body temperature of all staff. Regular body temperature of all staffs. And the last one is okay. I think I am wasting my time on providing the content. You can do it by yourself, that's not a big deal. I am moving to the next section. Okay, more or less we have provided the different images and different content. Okay, so moving to the next section. Okay, from line number 346 we will provide some changes. Opening of div tag with the class attribute column 12, column small 12, column medium 12, column 12, column small 12, column medium 12, and column large 6. Inside this we will have another div tag with the class attribute having the value clear fix. Inside this div tag we will have another div tag with the class attribute having the value float left. Inside this div tag we will have an h4 tag with the content offers, and the content will be closed. Sorry, the div h4 tag will be closed, and after that we will have closing of the existing div tag in which h4 tag is present, and we will close it on line number 352. Okay, and after that we will have another div tag with the class attribute having the value float right text primary font weight bold. Float right text primary and font weight bold. Inside this div tag we will have content as view all. Okay, and again now there will be two closing div tag. Okay, as you can see on line number 355 and 356. And now there will be another opening of div tag on line number 357 with the class attribute dflex wrap justify content center. Dflex wrap justify content center. Inside this div tag we will have a p2 tag. Follow me on line number 358. Okay, div class with attribute p2. Inside this div tag we will have p tag and content will be use code. Okay, p tag will be closed as same as we have opened in the we opened before, with the difference that is the closing tag will contain backslash before the p letter. Okay, and after the if we will have another p tag with the class attribute font weight bold text danger. Font weight bold text danger. Okay, and the content will be instant 1000. Instant 1000. p tag will be closed, and again there will be p tag with the class attribute font weight bold, and the content will be get rupees 1000 off. Get rupees 1000 off. And again there will be p tag with the class attribute as same as we have provided on line number 361 and 360. And sorry for that, there will be no any attribute class on the in the p tag of line number 362. Just the content will be booking above 5000. Booking above rupees 5000. p tag will be closed. Okay, and now we need to copy this div tag containing the class attribute with the value p2 for 4 times. One time is here, copy it 4 times, 2 times, 3 times and 4 times, and save it, and first see the changes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 times it is closed. Okay, first see the changes. Okay, that's good. Let me see first that sample page for comparison. Okay, that is bus.html file. Here, okay, more or less both are same. Yes, so we have completed this section, and the time is also it enough, but not up to the mark. So I'm stopping my video here, and we will complete the next section on next video, that is customer review and FAQ. Okay, both will be completed in the next video. So this is it for this video. Thank you, and please do like, subscribe and hit my bell icon and share my channel. Okay, thank you, see you in next video.